In the heart of Mallacoota, beneath the evening sky, Shady Gully's call as the day says goodbye. Genoa Peak stands bold in the sun's last blaze, heart of wild nature where the river plays. Oh, feel the fire, Mallacoota shines, forests kiss the sea beneath the twilight lines. From the gentle lake to the ocean's might, Mallacoota roars in the colors of the night. The town sleeps softly, cradled by twilight's arms, fields blend, home showcasing earthy charms. Lake waters reflect the sun's fiery test. In this tranquil haven our spirits find rest. Beyond the town where the wild softly call, tall forests rise and shadows start to fall. At the edge of water where skies are met, each sunset's a ballad of silhouettes. Oh, feel the fire, Mallacoota shines, forests kiss the sea beneath the twilight lines. From the gentle lake to the ocean's might, Mallacoota roars in the colors of the night. Beneath a vast April sky so grand and wide, we watch the day retreat with the changing tide. Beauty in every glance, a painted view, hues of orange and pink and twilight blue. Roars in the colors of the night as the night holds tight and the echoes fade. Mallacoota rest in the bed it's made under starlit skies where dreams take flight. We say